Hi, I'm Srujan. I'm a manufacturing designer from casting. So welcome to Giga Berlin and the most automated Giga casting shop in Templer.
What we had in the beginning was basically a bi-manual system with the conveyor belts and then a manual rack loading basically. So the dream was for no one to touch the part basically onto the RPC side. We already did an upscaling of an existing process with the die casting machine, and we thought why not do that exact same thing again with the trim press. And one has to be the first. It's not easy, and we had to do it while producing obviously more cars and keep producing cars. But in the end it always is possible. We take out the part now with our Robot 1, we put it onto the quench tank, we laser mark it, we take it out with Robot 2, put it into the trim press. Robot 3 takes it out into the automatic quality controls and then directly onto the lifter up to the overhead conveyor. It brings it directly to the RPC in the body white side, where it's also fully automatic unloaded.
With one cut, with one movement, we have reduced cycle time, we have better quality and a far reduced footprint.
We at Tesla already had a very advanced die casting process. With this new advancement, we are even better.